Hi, this is Leanne from Global Media Networks with the business news for today. Sri Lanka is on track to resume a loan program with the International Monetary Fund next week, with preliminary data showing that action to break credit and domestic demand are showing results. The IMF held back the final two tranches of around $800 million from its $2.5 million bailout facility given after a 2008-2009 balance of payment crisis shortly before Sri Lanka entered the current balance of payment crisis. Sri Lankan exporters will have to ensure the greenness of their products to comply with environmental rules of importers to ensure future market access, an official stated. There is a major shift in environmental and sustainable policies worldwide, said Edward Clarence Smith of the United Nations Industrial Development Organization. Sri Lankan companies which succeed will be those that adapt and comply with new rules, which might even enable them to gain market share from those which do not. He told an investment forum held alongside the island's Expo 2012 trade fair. Mr. Srikanthan has been appointed to the Board of Directors of Barclays Finance plc as non-executive independent director with effect from the 1st of April 2012. The head of central bank has said that it may stop supplying dollars to pay for oil import bills as its latest move to allow more rupee flexibility after it retained from intervening in foreign exchange markets last month. Hemas has commenced construction of its third multi-speciality hospital in Thalawathugoda at a cost of over 1 billion rupees. Occupying 1 acre of prime land in Thalawathugoda, the 50-bed hospital will serve the community in surrounding areas. Moving on with the market summary, the financial year ended today with the bourse showing mixed interest. The market witnessed value being wiped off due to various factors that influenced the smooth flow of the bourse. However, foreign investors showed newfound interest during the past month, with some major transactions on market-heavy caps taking place. Today's market activity mirrored yesterday's performance to end the week posting a decent turnover. The benchmark all-share price index gained 8.16 points to close at 5,420, whilst the more liquid MPI shed 12.48 points to close at 4,891. Total turnover for the day was 789 million rupees. Total volume traded was close to 34 million shares. Activity was dominated by banking and finance sector as it contributed over 37% of the day's turnover. Ceylon Bank non-voting witnessed heavy accumulation during the day and witnessed a block trade where over 2.5 million shares changed hands at 28 rupees 90 cents. The counter gathered much retail interest thereafter and closed the day at 29 rupees, gaining marginally. Accumulation was also seen on banking and finance sector caps, Commercial Bank, NDB Bank and Sambhav Bank, as impressive volumes traded during the day. Market heavyweight John Case Holdings saw buying interest during the early hours but witnessed heavy selling during the latter half, which in turn resulted in the counter closing the week marginally down. However, the counter emerged as a top contributor once again and contributed 14% of the day's turnover. Further deals were seen on CAPS Colombo Land and Development Company, Citrus Leisure, People's Merchant plc as impressive volumes changed hands. Capsidon Tobacco Company and Lion Brewery also witnessed renewed interest and closed the week on a positive note. With that, I round up the market summary and the business news.